Hello kids, how are you? How do you do? This is Kusma Prashant Udupa. I will be your English teacher. Okay, in yesterday's class we have learnt about strokes in Kannada, but in today's class we are going to learn English strokes. In that, two patterns are there. One line patterns and other one curve patterns. In today's class, we are going to learn only line patterns. But the thing, before starting the lesson, I would like to do an activity for you. Are you ready? Do you participate with me? No? Yeah, you have to be participated with me. Shall I start? Now, I would like to test what kind of are children. It means you. Are you brilliant? Are you extraordinary? Are you wise? Everything I would like to test you. It means I'll do some actions here. You have to say what kind of action and what's the name of that. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. Now here, just look at this. What is this? This is tiffin box. Correct? We are knowing this because it's very familiar to us. Correct? No? See? Superb. What is this? What am I doing? Tell me, what am I doing? Yeah, very good. I am eating. Very good, children. Now, what is in my hand? Tell me. Yeah, glass. I am having a glass with me. What am I going to be done? Don't know. See. Yes? Yeah, exactly. I am drinking. What am I doing? I am drinking. It may be in the sense of coffee, tea, Horlicks, Bournvita. Yeah, very nice. Okay. The next thing, I'm getting tired of doing these activities. Just I want it to be relaxed. What am I doing? Tell me. Yeah, yes, I am sitting now. Am I correct? I am sitting. It's bored of sitting and speaking with you. So, yes, what am I doing now? I am standing in front of you. Isn't it? Okay, it's board. I'll write something now in the board. What is this? This is a pen. Okay. Here, what am I doing here? Tell me. I am writing. Correct? I am writing here. Okay, our children are very smart, very wise. Okay, other thing. Now, what is in my hand? Tell me. What is in my hand? This is a book. Yes, you are very familiar with this. You love books. Correct? I love books, don't you? Yes, very good. So, this is a book. Now, what am I going to be done with the book? Don't have any idea? Yes, very good. I am reading. My name is Kusma Prashant Udupa and I am the teacher of English, Maths and Kannada teacher for you. Can you hear it me? Yes. Is it visible? Yeah, very good. Excellent. So, here, okay, what am I doing? Yes, exactly. I am jumping. And now, what am I doing now? I am walking. Correct? No? How many of you used to walk at morning? Like 6 to 7 o'clock or 7 to 8 like that? Are you going with your parents? No. Or you are very busy of playing in the mobile? Yes? No, you should not do like that. At the morning, beginning of the day, you have to walk. Okay, if your parents are going for walking, you just go with them. Okay, and next one, yeah. See my hair, it's not proper only. Just I wanted to. What am I doing? Yes, I am combing my hair. Don't you? Yeah, very good. All are doing right. Combing. Yeah, it's very good thing. And what happened? I am tired of taking class for you. You do not respond anything. What can be done? Oh God. What am I doing? Yes? Yes, I am sleeping. Do you understand? These are the basic words that are my favorite LKG and UKG students. You people should know. Okay, let's revise again, or shall we start our lesson? Okay, fine. We'll revise another thing, action words. Action words means nothing else, only whatever we do, we work or we act, that is called action words. Let us begin or let us revise. Let us revise again. This one, I am drinking, and here this action is called as eating, and this one sitting. Okay, this one standing, and this one walking, and this one jumping, and this one combing, and this one writing, and this one reading. There are many action words are there. So in today's class, it's enough for us. The next class we will learn more action words with Joyous Classroom. Okay? Am I clear? Yes. Now shall we start our studying? For that you have to come with me. English line patterns. Okay? Let's start the class. Let's begin. Today's subject is English. In that we are going to learn line patterns. Line, everyone is knowing, correct? How to draw a line. Many times I used to listen from the students, ma'am, can I put a line? It's not put a line, it's draw a line. Always it is drawing a line, it is not putting a line, or it is not making a line. Okay, so here line patterns we have 4 here: standing line, sleeping line, right slant, and left slant. For that, first we will see what is standing line. It's very easy one here. See children, here only like this, straight line. Straight line you have to be drawn. Can't you? Why can't? I am here. Just look at me. Once, if you can't draw a standing line, I will help you. For example, take your ruler. What is this? Scale or ruler, whatever you say. Having this, you have to draw a line here. See, it should be straight. See, 1 line, 2 line, like this. See here, I am drawing here. It is called as standing line. Is it visible for you? Standing line. In case if you can't draw standing line properly, standing means straight, it should be stand. See, I am standing, I am sitting, I am jumping, everything we have learnt, correct? So here it should be straight. Okay, some people are there, beautiful hands, correct? But you people are not able to write. Don't worry. See here, with the ruler you can be drawn the lines properly. Otherwise, without ruler also you are able to be done. For example, see here, 4 lines are there. Always you should tell to your parents that they should buy a book is having 4 lines, not only 1 line book. Not 2 line, not 3 line, 4 line books your parents should buy for you so that you can write beautifully. Okay. Here on the 4 lines you have to be used only 3 lines. Okay. First line, put a dot here. Okay. And here put a dot. Clear? After that, what you have to be done? You have to joint or you have to trace. See, now it's standing line. Over. Next time I will show you. 1 dot here and other dot we are going to put on the 3rd line. After drawing the 2 dots, we are means you are going to trace. Yes. Now it is standing line. Clear? This is one method we can be done. Okay. Then, okay, some children still they are not able to do. What to be done? Don't worry. I am having a super plan here with you. Okay. I will share with you. See, 1 dot here. Again on the 2nd line, 2nd dot, and the 3rd line, 3rd dot. Now how many dots we have put here? Count with me. 1 dot, 2 dot and 3 dot, together 3 dots. Now what to be done? Very easy and simple. Now we are going to join 3 lines. Correct? Is it clear for you? Yes. I'll draw other one. Count with me. 1 dot, 2 dot and 3 dot. Later we have to join this. Now it's make standing line. Okay. This is the second method which is helpful to you. Okay, some students are there, they are very lazy. Correct? No? Like me. I am very lazy. Okay, like me. But still, we would like to write, but we can't because we are so lazy. So, I will make you very better way. See here. Now, we have to put more dots here so that it's very easier you to draw a standing line. For example, 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many dots we have put here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have to be drawn like this. Correct? Again I will draw you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here to here. We have to trace. When our tracing is complete, it makes a standing line. Clear? This is a 3rd method which we can follow. Okay. And other some boys or girls, some are kids, no, they are very intelligent. How do they do? No, without putting any dots, they'll write. See, like this. They take ruler and they just write. See, they take ruler and they just draw a standing line. Now we have drawn the standing line. Correct? But in the book, in the 4-line book, copy book, how you have to be written? I will show you now. For example, this is your copy book. Here you will have the 4 lines, but when you write the standing and other lines, you have to draw a straight line like this. It is standing line. Correct? No? What is this? This is standing line. See, I am writing here. I am drawing here standing line. Clear? Now, the next topic, standing line. The homework for you, always standing line. First, you have to try like this with the help of 3 dots. Later, tell me how many dots you have to be used. Yes, 6 dots. If you can't for 6 dots, later only you can go for 8 or 10 dots. Clear? But some you can use ruler also to make standing line. Is it clear? Yes. Write in your copybook, draw the lines, and fully page you have to be used for standing line. The next one, we are going to be taught sleeping line. Tell me, what am I doing? Yes, I am sleeping. Correct? Can I sleep now? No. I have to teach to you because you are listening at me. No. Yeah, I have to be very active. Don't you? Yes, you have to be very active with me. So, sleeping line. See, whenever we sleep, how it will be the position if we sleep? For example, now just imagine, kids, that here there is a bed. Okay? Bed there is. And that, how do you sleep? Like this you will sleep. Straight. Correct? No? Like this you will sleep. So, it comes like this. Sleeping. Am I proper? Yes. So, it is called as sleeping line. It is very, very easy. All my favorite kids know you are eligible to draw this line. Why? See here. Like this and straight here to here. Without ruler, you can draw the sleeping line because it's very, very easy method. Otherwise, see here, ruler there is. I'll show you how to be drawn a sleeping line. For example, here to here straight. With the ruler, you have to be drawn, and here to be here. It is with the help of ruler we have drawn a sleeping line. The next one. Okay ma'am, how do we do? We can't do because yours beautiful hands, small hands will not be able to do. For example, for that, see here, put one dot here, put another dot here. Okay. So here you have to trace this. See, like this. Okay. First method is with the ruler. First method with the ruler, and next method one dot here and another dot here. Later we have to trace the dot. So second method is this one. Okay. Okay, still some people are lazy and don't want to write. Your work will be easy. I'll make your work will be so easier. See here, 1 dot, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many dots I have drawn here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now you have to trace the dots carefully so that automatically you will get a sleeping line. This is the third method how we can be drawn sleeping line. Okay, this is the third method. And now see here, parents, if your kids they are not able to write sleeping line directly, there are 3 methods which I have explained you before only. One method is with the help of ruler and other one is having 2 dots. If can't, you can go for how many? 5 dots, so that your kids are able to learn or write sleeping line beautifully. Okay? Yes, no kids? Yes, you are hearing, no? Yes, very good. So, now what is this? This one, standing line, sleeping line. Now, with the ruler, we did not draw sleeping lines. Shall we draw here? This is with the help of ruler. See, standing line. Sleeping line. Next one, the third we are going to be learned. Which one here? Tell me. Don't know. Don't worry. Right slant and left slant. When you learn A to Z, you require these things. Which one? Strokes or line patterns. Once if you learn these line patterns, it will be very easier you to write and learn A to Z. Okay? Yes. So, right slant. See here. Slant means cross, like what we say. See here. For example, see like this. Slant, it comes like this. Two types of slants are there. Right slant and another one left slant. Okay, no? See, in the ruler only we can give good example for these lines, line patterns. Standing line, see, it's the best example. With the ruler only I am teaching you. Standing line, ruler. Sleeping line, like this. Ruler you have to be kept like this. This one, yeah, sleeping line. And this one direction, slanting line. And this one, another direction, slanting line. You are having no ruler at your home. Just show to your parents or brothers or sisters and tell them you are knowing regarding lines through ruler. Okay? Yes, good. So here, see, right slant means the directions, two directions are there here, right and left direction. So here, right slant, see, here to here. Okay? In case if you are not able to draw properly the right slant, you can use your ruler here. See here to here. See how it became? It became a proper right slant. Okay. Again I will draw one thing. See here with the help of ruler. Yes. Correct? Now, okay, ruler we don't have. What to be done, madam? You may ask. For that also there is an idea. What is that? Come with me. Right slant, see here. 1. Here again we are going to put dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? 4 dots. Then here slant line. And again here 1, 2, 3, 4. Again you have to trace it one by one. Then only you will get slant line. Again 1. And again another one thing, children, we should not draw like this dot. See 1, 2, 3, 4. If you put your dots like this, you will not get slant line, you will get straight line. So whenever you put dot, you have to be kept in your mind which line you are going to draw. So slanting line means always it should come like this. So here cross 1, 2, 3, 4, then slant, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, slant. Correct? Yes, see, actually right slant always will be written like this, directly like this. But my favorite kids, I have taught you 3 different methods which can be used for your right slant. First method, which one? Tell me. First method in the ruler. Am I right? First method in the ruler. And the second one, tell me. Second one in the 2 dots. Sorry. Second one in the 2 dots. And the third method, yes, third method we have used with the 4 dots. Okay, it is third method. So how many methods I have taught you to draw a beautiful perfect right slant? Tell me. 3 methods. So whichever is convenient for you, that you have to be then practice, and you have to be drawn in your English which book? Notes? No. Yes, English workbook or in your English 4 lines copybook. Dear kids, don't tell your parents to buy 2-line or 3-line book. For English, always you have to be bought 4 lines book. Okay. The next one, have you understood regarding this? Right slant. Now, the next one here, left slant. Same thing. 2 directions, right and left. We have learned before only. So, here left slant. For example, here first one, see here, directly in the help of my hand or the pen, I am drawing this. It's very easy to me, but my kids feeling slightly difficult. But don't worry, come with me. See, here to here, here to here with the help of ruler, and again here to here with the help of ruler, and again here to here with the help of ruler. Okay, the next one. Okay, I'm fed up of drawing left slant with the help of ruler. Let's do some magic which my kids will love that. Okay, yes. For this left slant, see here, 1 and 2. 2 dots you have to put first. 1 dot here, here to here. Okay, 1 dot here to here, and the next one, keep it in your mind that you are not supposed to draw a line like this, 2 dots. If you draw 2 dots like this, here you will get standing line. But we are writing now left slant. So whenever you put your dots, don't put like this. Okay, instead of this, you have to put here a left slant. For example, here 1 dot and here 1 dot. So, slightly it is. See? Again, here 1 dot, here 1 dot. So, left slant line. Confused? Why to confuse? Only 2 directions we have learned. Right slant and the left slant. Okay, again you people are getting difficulty to write 2 slants. Again, one more idea I have. Okay, put more dots here like 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many dots we have put here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, these 4 dots have to be drawn like this. Okay? 1, 2, count with me. 3, 4. 4 dots already we have put. But now the time is to trace. See, it's tracing. Last once again I will tell you. 1, 2, 3, 4. See here, I have drawn the left slant. Anyone has tried? No, you have to be tried today. So here I did not write. Right slant, see, like this, like this. When you complete or when you learn right slant, left slant or any other lines without helping this one, which one? Dots, it means you are expert. Okay. See here, without helping dots, later you have to write like this slanting line. Clear? Now let me ask with you some questions here. Line patterns. What kind of line we have learned today? 4 lines. Correct? No? How many? 4 lines we have learned today. First one, standing line means straight. Okay. Second one, sleeping line. It's sleeping. And third one, right slant, and the next one, left slant. So these 4 lines we have learned today. I hope you people have understood very well. If you did not understand, just speak with your parents. They'll help you. Your mama, daddy, brother, sister, everyone you are having, right? At least with one you can ask, so that it will be very helpful for you. Okay. So now homework for you. One day standing line and sleeping line you have to be drawn in your 4 lines copybook, and you have to be shown to your parents. And the next day, right slant and the left slant you have to be drawn first with the help of your parents. Afterwards, you are expert to write. So, other days you have to be written these things. So, when you will complete your line patterns, we will go for next class. Which one? Curve patterns. It's very easier, very effective. So, once we complete these lines, then we are eligible to move for other things, A to Z. Okay. Do you understand? Yes, very good. Come with me. If you miss this episode, you can see at 10 o'clock the next morning. Okay. Be with us. In the next class, we will enjoy more than this class. Okay. Next class, I will revise you again these line patterns, and we will move on the next activity. Okay. Till that, take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.